Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to manage task completion notifications on Asana, your go-to guide for 2025. To start, log into your Asana account. Now, this may seem obvious, but it's essential because the notification settings are tailored to each account. So be sure you're in the right place before proceeding. Next up, let's navigate to the My Profile settings. You can find this by clicking on your profile photo in the top right corner. The reason we do this is because My Profile settings is where all your personal Asana preferences are managed, including notifications. Now that we're in My Profile settings, click on the Notifications tab. This tab is where you can customize how and when Asana sends you notifications. Once you're in the Notifications tab, you'll see a section labeled Task Reminders. Here's where the magic happens. This section allows you to choose how often you receive task completion notifications. The options range from immediately to once a day. Let me explain why this matters. By customizing these settings, you can control how much information you receive and when, allowing you to stay focused and not be overwhelmed by constant notifications. Now it's time to make your choice. Click on the drop-down menu and select your preference. For example, if you choose once a day, Asana will send you a single email with all your completed tasks for the day. This helps us because it consolidates your notifications into one manageable email. Once you've made your selection, remember to click Save Changes so that your preferences are updated. And there you have it. That's how to manage task completion notifications on Asana as of 2025. By following these steps, you've set the stage for a more organized, less distracting work environment. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay productive.